Hello everyone. Today I am trying out some apple preserve. For that I've diced these apple. They are about 5 apple. I peeled them and I diced them. And then I am using some cinnamon, nutmeg and salt. Cinnamon is about 2 tablespoons. Nutmeg is half a tablespoon or less. And a tablespoon of salt. And here I have this brown sugar. It is about a mug. It is about 2 cups. Okay, and I'll add them to this. So I've been cooking this on sim and I've been stirring it continuously, and now most of the moisture is gone. I'll show you. So I've been cooking this and this seems ready. If you taste it, the apple pieces have become very soft, and this liquid part, it is not runny. So this is how it turned out. This is the quantity, and it looks yummy. Already made some pancakes. I hope you like this, and if you do, this is my new channel. I would like it if you like or subscribe. So thank you.